Hi guys, Landon here. Today I'm showing you another super easy, cheap and healthy recipe. In just 15 minutes we'll have a yummy, creamy gnocchi for dinner. Let's jump right in making it. Oh, by the way, I would love to know where you are from. Let me know in the comments so I can say hi to you personally. First thing first, bring a medium pot to a boil before adding our gnocchi. While waiting for the boil, dice half a large onion. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a large pan and turn heat to medium-high. Onion goes in. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Now we add half pound of ground turkey or chicken if you prefer. Stir and break it up occasionally. 1 teaspoon of thyme and 1/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper. Stir up. Now wash and cut 12 ounces of broccoli into small bite-sized pieces. Add broccoli into the pan as well. Now we just stir occasionally for about 3 minutes. Our water is very boiling right now. Perfect timing to add in our gnocchi. It cooks very quickly, just about 3 minutes or so keep an eye on it. Time for our creamy yumminess. We need half cup of heavy cream. Now we're using that same cup to transfer 1 cup of gnocchi water to the cream pan. Quick stir. Next, the last ingredient is 1 can 10.5 ounces of cream of chicken condensed soup. Stir up until everything well blended. Our gnocchi is done cooking, which is perfect at the right time. I always try to have everything working simultaneously and they click together in a way that we can be more efficient in the kitchen. If there's time that I have to wait for something, I will just use it to wash the dishes. Gnocchi in, now we just stir to mix everything and that's it. It's done. Unless you find it need a little more seasoning with salt and pepper, or like myself, need a kick from some red pepper flakes. Look at that! Yummy! Some grated Parmesan cheese. This is just optional. We're all set. And that is it for this dinner. Super simple, quick and easy to make. Before you go, please like and subscribe. Love you. I'll see you next time. Bye.